Do you remember when many of us had class sessions in which the teacher pulled out whiteboards or chalkboards and used them as a tool for teaching? These made classes very interactive and engaging. Teachers would ask a question and students would answer it. The teacher would be able to walk around and help any students, and the students walked away feeling like they really learned something. With the switch to virtual teaching, class interactivity has been harder. Usually a teacher just shares their screen and talks while students can only ask questions in the chat. This can let students stop listening and focus on other things. We want to build something to bring back this childhood memory and help classes be more engaging. It can be hard to teach and keep the attention of students, especially younger ones, and we want to encourage students to keep attending classes during this digital age. Introducing Lecturely, a website that brings back class interactivity and fun. Our application creates an environment where teachers can engage students through the use of virtual whiteboards. Students at any age level can use this, ranging from solving 2 plus 2 all the way to answering college physics questions. Teachers can provide individualized advice and notice knowledge gaps with their students.
When first coming to our site, the user will be prompted to log in either through setting up their own account or logging in through Google or Microsoft. If this is the first time a user is logging in, they will choose whether they are a teacher or student user. A teacher can start digital classrooms in which students each have a whiteboard. A user, on the other hand, has to enter a code provided by the teacher to be able to enter a class.
There will be two available views, the teacher's view and the student's view. Each view will have a canvas that the corresponding users can draw on. The difference between the views is that the teacher's view contains a list of all the students' canvases, while the students can only view the teacher's canvas in addition to their own. An example use case for our application would be in a math class where teachers can put a math problem on the canvas and the students could show their work and the solution on their canvas. The teacher can then verify the students are reaching the solution properly and can help the students if they see they are struggling by marking up on their board. After a student is done taking notes or finding the solution, they can get transcript, or the teacher can click get transcript to get a transcript of their notes, which can be shared or sent to the students to keep as notes. We used React and Auth0 to handle authorization. Our backend is written in Node.js, where we use socket.io to handle the real-time update of the whiteboard, and the Google Vision API for their OCR to translate user boards. We also have a Google Cloud Firestore database to store the user account and details. Our backend server is hosted on Google App Engine, and the frontend is hosted on Firebase hosting. This was our first time using Socket.io and Firestore, and we learned a lot about real-time group communications and collection-based database models. We also have some additions that we'd like to put in the future. This product can be useful even past digital schooling, as it can save schools money as they would not have to purchase supplies. Thus, it could benefit from building out more features such as adding TAs to help notice student mistakes. As this is a hackathon MVP, we did not add audio sharing, but that would be the only thing needed to make this product a standalone app. The ability to add reports and past session information would be useful. You could save images of your canvas to your account, and viewing past class session info like rosters would be beneficial for teachers. We want to expand past just whiteboards and allow more mediums for creativity. Some of our ideas were text boxes and images. This would expand the times teacher would use the product. Adding settings would let these sessions be more customizable. Some examples would be choosing group size, choosing a student's screen to share to others, and toggling which board is the main board.